Why does your scanner show the P1524 engine code? What does it mean? P1524 is a diagnostic trouble code for oil pressure out of range, camshaft advance, or retard disable. P1524. Engine code indicates that the engine oil pressure never reaches the calibrated specification, which allows the variable valve timing activation. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. A bad crank position sensor, low engine oil pressure, disabled variable valve timing activation, low engine oil level, faulty engine control module ECM. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ram, Fiat, Jeep, Chrysler, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.